Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet a wooden ring towel holder featuring cable stitches, a perfect little gift. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along Volume 2. It has a mystery feature to it because you don't know which pattern I will be publishing each day. The entire event has 30 crochet patterns. 24 of them will be available free to view on my website. But again, you don't know which one. The 24 patterns will also be available in my membership, ad-free and printer-friendly. You can also get those on Ravelry and Etsy as a PDF. All 30 crochet patterns include a video tutorial. If you want to get all 30 crochet patterns ad-free and printer-friendly, then get my ebook at the link down below in the description or my website. All 30 crochet patterns are last-minute gift ideas. The entire event is sponsored by Premier Yarns. Now let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. You're going to need some worsted yarn. I'm using Premier's Just Yarn Value, which is acrylic yarn in the color linen, but you can pick any other color as well. I'm also using some rings. Either get 8 centimeter or 10 centimeter rings. Sometimes they also list as 80 millimeter or 100 millimeter. I prefer the 100 millimeter, but sometimes they're out, so 80 works well as well. Start with a chain of 13. Then in the second chain from the hook, you're going to crochet 1 single crochet. Then insert your hook into the loop that's closest to your yarn finger, yarn over and pull through, and with 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through, and now you just made an alternative turning chain or stacked single crochet, which counts as a double crochet. Now go ahead and crochet double crochets in each chain for the rest of the row. Then turn. In every first stitch, you're going to crochet an alternative turning chain. I'm using the stacked single crochet version. In the following stitch, crochet a front post double crochet. So you go around the post from the back. So you kind of push it forward, go around it, and finish it up like a regular double crochet. Now crochet 1 more double crochet. And now we're going to crochet a cable stitch. You're going to do treble crochet stitches. You're going to skip the next 3 stitches. You're going to skip 3 stitches, and now you're going to go around the post just like you did over here, but with a treble crochet. And you're going to crochet 1 treble crochet, then another treble crochet, again as a post stitch, and 1 more. Now you're going to go back and crochet the same post stitches but into the skipped stitches. So start on the right side, and then work your way over. It may clunk up a little bit, so just spread it out so you can see it. There's 1 more, so it should always be 3. Now you have 3 stitches over here left. Crochet 1 double crochet, 1 post double crochet in the front, and 1 more double crochet right on top of the alternative turning chain that we had made in the previous row. And it's going to look like this now. Now you're going to turn. You're going to crochet again an alternative turning chain as your first stitch. Now you're going to crochet a back post double crochet. So where you had your front post, you're going to go from the back around it and push it to the back like so. Go around it and make a double crochet on top, and then 1 more regular double crochet, and then double crochet stitches in every stitch until you have that front post again right here, and then you're going to put a back post on top of it again. So that means 1 double crochet in every stitch until you have 2 left. Now you have 2 left. You're going to crochet a back post double crochet around this second to last stitch. So from the back here, go from the back, insert it, push it to the back, come back out, yarn and pull through, and finish up like a double crochet, and then you have 1 more double crochet to go. And now turn, and now you're going to repeat row 2. Then you're going to repeat row 3 again until you have 13 rows. It's going to look like this from the front and this from the back. Now you're going to take your yarn ends, and if you don't have a long enough yarn end, you're just going to attach a new one. And you're going to take your ring one at a time, and now you're going to weave it through in making like whip stitches or whatever else, whatever you want to use to attach it. And then it's going to look like this, and you're simply going to fold it over, and now you can put your towels through the ring. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. I'm sure you want to. I'll see you next time. Bye!